In oscillations, we have the next topic, that is periodic functions. Functions which repeat itself after a fixed interval of time is known as periodic functions. Let us take two examples of that. F of t, that is equals to sine of omega t. And we know in the second chapter kinematics we have done that omega angular velocity is equal to displacement upon time. For one complete revolution, angular displacement is 2 pi, so we can write omega is equal to 2 pi upon t. So now we can put the value of omega, that is 2 pi upon t into t. Let after time capital T, now we can write f of t plus t. So we can write now sine 2 pi upon t into t plus t. Now multiply in the bracket sine of 2 pi upon t into t plus 2 pi upon t into t. It will be cancelled. This is sine of 2 pi upon t, this is omega, plus 2 pi. In that trigonometry we know that sine 2 pi plus theta is equal to sine theta. So we can write here f of t plus t, that is equals to sine of omega t. This is equation number second. If we compare first and second, this is first equation, f of t sine omega t. Now we can write f of t plus t is equal to sine omega t. From equation first and second, we can say that f of t is equal to f of t plus t. So after time capital T, this function is repeat itself. If after particular time or fixed time, if the function repeat itself, then this is known as periodic functions. This is known as periodic functions. Now we can take another example for the cos. F of t is equal to cos omega t, equation number first. After time capital T, f of t plus t is equal to cos of omega t plus t. Now we can multiply cos omega t plus omega t. Now we can put the value of omega. Here we can put the value of omega 2 pi upon t into t. It will be cancelled. So this is equal to cos omega t plus 2 pi. This is f of t plus t. Cos omega t plus 2 pi. This is same cos 2 pi plus theta. This is equal to cos theta. Equation number second, f of t plus t. So we can, from first and second, we can write f of t cos omega t. F of t plus t is equal to cos omega t. From first and second, we can say f of t is equal to f of t plus t. So after time capital T, the function repeat itself. So after time capital T, if the function repeat itself, so this is known as periodic functions. Known as periodic functions.